Two of them.
Gosh.
Yeah, two of them.
Damn, he's a small guy.
He's a small. That second one here. No, that's
big
a
ass one.
Oh, I see it. Oh, the one is right underneath it.
Spit it out, I want your brother.
Hey, you got your brother over there, a little bigger brother.
Yo,
Hey,
Alright.
you got two of them over there. There is a second one. You see him? Second one next to the hanger.
it's right underneath him. I think that's when he caught before.
Alright, knife.
Yeah,
Nice.
cut the line, cut the line.
People get down.
He's spitting everything out.
Nice.
He was spitting the crap over
anybody got
there.
a damn knife?
Yeah, I'll get you knife.
Hurry up before he dies.
Yeah, cut yourself.
Hurry up, go get a knife. Go get a knife. Damn, I want your brother.
Your brother? Where do you want to go?
Next door.
Okay, where do you want to cut it?
Raise it up a little bit.
Cut the model.
Just cut the line.
Get it?
Okay, guys, get it over.
Damn, that didn't even touch the water. I walked right down on him.
Wow.
I wanted his brother.
Go get him.